Recently we went over elements. What is an element? What is a tag? And now we're going to go over what a block element is. And it's very similar to what a regular element is. If we took the example from our previous class, this one here, using the paragraph and the anchor, which is our link, this is exactly what it would show up with. Our paragraph and a regular link. Now I'll show you what a block element looks like. Here we've got our line that goes right across. That's our horizontal rule, and that will separate everything above it and below it into two sections, like it did. I'm not using any line breaks here. Next we have our div tag, which is our dummy tag, and we'll go over this a little bit later. It's a very common tag, and it too will try to eat up all the space from left to right. And even our paragraph element will do the same thing. Notice how we have the paragraph up here. Opening it with our content in the middle and then closing it is automatically going to take up all the space it can from the left to the right. So to formally tell you exactly what a block element is, a block element is an element, again, such as one of these, that will try to take up all the space it can from the left of it to the right of it. There could be a column that separates left navigation from the content that uses a div tag or a paragraph. In that case, the block element will still try to take up as much space as it can, and it will push all the way to the left, all the way to the right, taking up as much space as it can, and if you try to type anything after that, it will show up below that element. The reasons I think it's important for you to know this is because if you use an element and it's messing up your page and you don't know why, you now know why. And secondly, if you ever want to separate different sections, for example your text on your web page, you now know a couple ways to do that. You can use the horizontal rule, which is the line right here. Just to show you real quick, that's this tag. You can use an empty div tag. You just open it and you close it with a /div. You can wrap everything up in paragraphs. Or you can use a line break, which is just the simple BR tag. Now you know what block elements are.